4 installations made up of a garage wall replacement, a lean-to, corrugated galvanised roofing and an insulated roof. You don't have to own a Compton building to benefit from repairs by ComptonSpares.com. Let's not be judgmental, but this building was pushed from the inside out. The smaller pink and brown Canterbury spar chippings would have you believe that this was a Compton garage, but the bolt fixings tell another story. A lasting repair was achieved by replacing the entire rear wall with panels from a popular brand. Would it be rude to call someone's garage scruffy? Well, this shabby-looking lean-to structure was long overdue an overhaul. What is particularly impressive is the belt and braces approach to sealing this roof to the house wall, using both steel flashing and ceiling flash band. Our client was certainly impressed when they gave us a 5-star rating. Mr. Reed was very tempted by the competitive price tendered, and being a bungalow dweller, saw little benefit in having a plastisol-coated roof. Our shiny galvanised roofs maintain all the benefits of 0.7 roofing and anti-drip lining with a price point that pleases all. Deja vu? Yes, well, you may have spotted our newest design access doors in a previous post. If not, then this PVC door is now supplied complete with a low door threshold, which is handy for mowers and motorcycles. What's more, look carefully into the roofline to find high-density foam board insulation, ideal if the building is going to be used as an office, gym or extra room. Add the resealing of the walls and renew any perished timbers, and a basket case quickly becomes a habitable area.